Hello, my name is Jo and I've been a patient at Hartley Dental for 5 years. I first joined Hartley Dental practice on the recommendation of a friend, and walking in here it was just the friendliest place that I've ever been to. No need to be afraid. Everyone explained what was going to happen, when, and it just felt really comfortable being here. I've had all sorts of treatments, from regular everyday checkups every 6 months to having a crown, which was very nerve-wracking to begin with, but the care and attention of the team meant it was a fairly painless process, and I'm really happy with the results, and it's fixed the pain that I had, so really happy. One of the things that I'm happiest about though is the mandibular implement that they gave me for stopping snoring, and that has been a life changer. The Sleep Well treatment has made a huge change to my life. It means that the quality of my sleep is just exponentially better. I'm sleeping all the way through the night. I'm not tired during the day anymore. I am able to sleep in the same room as my husband and the dog, and neither one of them want me to leave. And it's just massively improved the quality of my sleep, so I'm incredibly happy with it. The 3 words that I would use to describe the practice are friendly, professional, and incredible attention to detail.